executive chef at Deeringbay and Country Club. I'm here today to show you a couple of different recipes you can do with things you have in your refrigerator during this time of lockdown. There's simple things that you can have fun making. The first one is going to be a chicken Caesar wrap, but you can use whatever kind of tortilla you have, any kind of lettuce you have, chicken, pork, beef, any kind of protein that you want. So the first thing you want to do is chop up your lettuce. You can also take some whatever leftover bread you have and toast it and make some croutons to give it a little crunch. If you're making it for kids, they like the little crunchy things. Pre-cooked chicken or beef or ham or whatever you have. You can even do it with fish, shrimp, whatever you have. Put that in the bowl with your lettuce. Add some tomatoes, a little Parmesan cheese, then your dressing, whichever kind you like again. It can be a vinaigrette, or it can be Caesar, it can be oil and vinegar. You want to take your wrap, it's just like at Christmas time. You take your ingredients, you put it in your package, and you fold it together, push it all together tight, roll it tight. Now you can either take some toothpicks you might have or not have, toothpick it, cut it, put it on the plate, and serve it with any side that you might have at your house.